Hello watchers and welcome to Disney Doll's House issue 68. Let's just take the wall down there. I'm gonna need a bigger table at this rate. So let's have a flick through as always. So we've got some wallpapering for the Aristocats room and some decorative items. These are the assembly instructions for that, as well as gluing the wall into place, which I will not be doing because I still don't have my two missing issues, so I can't do that just yet. They want you to glue the floor in place as well, but again, I'm not doing that till I get my walls. And then we've got a wonderful Olympic champ, Goofy, poster for a cartoon that he did in 1942. That's really nice. I like that. Then we've got the Magic of Disney, all about Sully from Monsters Inc. / Monsters University. Then the Magic of Disney, all about Quasimodo. And then the usual blurb on the back, as well as what is coming in issue 69, which is some architrave for the Little Mermaid's room, which will basically, hopefully I'll have my other issues so I can stick all the walls together at that point. It's basically to give more structure to the Little Mermaid's room and stop it from wiggling, because obviously there'll be more weight going on the top of that. Then we'll be getting a stool and something for the bathroom floor, the Little Mermaid's room in the bay window. I think that's the bit for the top, again, to give it more structure. But we shall see when we get that issue. Let's get on with the wallpapering. So we're taking the wall that we wallpapered in the previous issue with Cinderella's room, and now we're flipping it, and we're going to be sticking on the Aristocats room's wallpaper. Now this is the first piece of Aristocats wallpaper I've had, and I've got to admit, this black line around the edge really annoys me. I wish they'd not put that on there and just left it as the gold foiling. But I do like the gold foiling though. So it's very bourgeois, which is fitting for the Aristocats. But yeah, the black line does annoy me a bit, but there's nothing I can do about that. So yeah, this is the way this needs to go up, because that bit's going to fit along the top of the door. So you need to make sure you put it that way up, not that way. And then we've got our usual score lines at the top to make sure that it's getting placed at the correct height. And it's simply just going to sit all the way along there. But the other good thing about this wallpaper is, because there's no pattern on the edge, it doesn't matter if it doesn't match up, because it doesn't matter. So let's get on with sticking this in place. Now, the one thing I normally do is I normally stick them right up to the corner here, but I'm not this time. It needs to have this bit exposed, because the width will be right up against the wall if I do it like that. And then the thing of the door is not going to sit right as well. So make sure it only gets put in place like that rather than that. So you shouldn't need to cut anything off this edge. One says, hopefully. Let's get that off. And flip it over to make sure that it's gone flat, hopefully. Yeah. Make sure that's really squished down in that corner. Okay, and then take my cutting mat. I'm just going to cut this edge and the doorway out. And on the bottom there. And across the top. And then along the side here. Oh, putting into the wood there, getting a bit over eager. It's all right, there will be some finishing pieces there eventually. So it should look like that. Now that's annoying me a little bit. I kind of wish that I had moved it across a bit, but anyway. It's okay. Never mind. Never mind. We're here now. So yeah, that will go in the center there. Like so. So that's it for the assembly in this issue, but we do have quite a few decorative items. First up, we have this lovely plush armchair for Alice's kitchen. Let's pull up Alice's kitchen. Adjust the camera. Let's pop the light on for Alice's kitchen because it's looking a little bit dark. There we go. You can see a little bit better. So yeah. So this armchair is supposed to go at the head of the table, just there, which you can't really see on camera. Let me show you a different angle. There we go. So it should look more like that. Now the other items we've got some more plates with the beautiful flowers on and the decorative moulding at the bottom. But we've got 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 8 of these. But the ones we got in previous issue, they're bigger. That's why. So you can have them sat like that. So they're actually bigger. I wondered why. I thought we were just getting 4 plates. They're all the same, but never mind. And then the other thing that we get are these tiny but detailed cookies of the White Rabbit's pocket watch. And these are cookies or biscuits. We get 2 of them, so they're really, really nice. I'm trying to work out how to show you what my big fingers. Nah, that's not going to work. There we go. When in doubt, move the camera. So that's what it looks like on the back, and then that's what it looks like on the other side. But they are just so lovely, so nice. Terrified of losing them though. All these tiny little bits we're getting in the doll's house. But yeah, that is it for this issue. I hope you're enjoying the build so far. Let me know what you guys are doing in terms of customization. If you are doing anything at all. Or if you're waiting until it's completely built and then doing something with it. But yeah, let me know how your build's going if you're taking part, or if you're just enjoying watching everybody's videos and seeing how it's going. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.